Hi, in this video I'll show you how to delete certificates in AcademyOcean, both for a single learner or in bulk for a group. Sometimes you may need to remove certificate, for example, if it was issued by mistake or after changes were made to the course. To delete a certificate for a specific learner, go to the Statistics section, Awards, Certificate section. In the table, find the required course and the learner, then click Delete in the last column. After that, confirm your action by typing Delete Certificate here. Then confirm your action by clicking Yes, Delete. This certificate will then be removed both from the statistics and from the learner's side. Please note that deleting a certificate is irreversible. It cannot be restored. If you need to delete statistics for multiple users at once, you can use the bulk deletion option. Go to the same section, Awards, Certificates, and then click Delete Certificates here. Then select the course for which you want to remove certificates. You can either delete certificate for a specific theme or select individual learners. After filling in all the fields, click Delete Certificate and confirm your action by typing Delete Certificate and then pressing the button Yes, Delete. Once completed, all selected certificates will be removed from both a learners and statistics side. Keep in mind that bulk deletion is also irreversible. Thank you for watching.